Hello everyone, Sejr here. Thank you so much for joining me. This is an unboxing of the Crafty Stamp Co card kit. This is the March card kit and it is on pre-order until February 15th. So once that time comes up, this card kit is not available anymore. And if you do pre-order, if you do it as a monthly subscription, and I believe it's 3 months commitment, you get 35% off the price. And if you just want to do a one-off, then it's 15% off the retail price. And I think that comes to $59 American. But definitely check out the website, and I'll put the information in the description box so you can check it out. But this is the March, and once after the 15th, then it's not available anymore. You can't pre-order it, and then the customers, those who have pre-ordered, will get it on the 5th of the next month, so March 5th, they should be coming out. One thing I will say is that they actually customize these packages. So if you look at it, it actually says, "Thank you for joining the crew, Sejr." So I thought that was kind of fun. Just that little personal touch. It's kind of nice. I like that. So I'm going to open this up and just show you what's inside it, and then I will reveal some cards that I made using this card kit in the end. So we'll start off with the stamp sets. You may have been seeing the stamps come out earlier. There's been a lot of release information on this. I'm going to take it out of the package just so you can see it. Get some white cardstock. Okay, there we go. So this is the first stamp, and it comes with these almost anime style characters. And these are a lot of fun, especially if you want to start practicing coloring hair. This has all the lines in there for you. So these are great for practicing. And you have the female there, and you have this little character here. Once again, fun ways to color the hair. Go crazy. Choose any colors you want. These type of hair look great in all colors. And so this stamp is very art inspired because you can see the hole punch. You got a glue gun. You have one of these other hole punches with a heart, scissors, paintbrush, stapler, and then it says, "It's crafty time." So there's the little stamp there. I love this. I just love these characters. They are a lot of fun to color. The next stamp that you get in this card kit is the Crafty Mice. And it's also art themed, and these are a lot of fun to color as well. You have the mouse holding scissors. This one's kind of, I laughed at this one because it's like a little mischievous. Like, what's he hiding? what is he doing? You know? But I will assume it's for he's making something and he doesn't want to just spoil the surprise. Then you have the mouse with a bunch of, you can have those as Copic markers and pencil crayons and a paintbrush. You have the Cricut machine. I think that's the maker. And the mouse sitting on top of it. The image itself is adorable. And then you have this is fun. If you don't have one of these, it's nice to have them on hand. You can put them on the back of your card. You can put them on the envelope, and it's just handmade, loved by, just for you. And you can write your name in there. Then you have some other sentiments here. Crafting is my love language. I like that. If you saw my shaker card, I use that sentiment. And talk crafty to me. So these are fun. I just love the different styles of font. So that is the Crafty Mice stamp. So you get that as well. And then you get a stencil. Now this stencil is called "I Need Caffeine." And it's just a nice circular stencil. I wonder if it's like the design on a latte. That's what it means by "I need caffeine." But I just think it's a great background that you can just add subtly to any matte layer or any background. So that's the stencil. You do get enamel dots in, looks like 3 shades of blue. That's kind of like a teal. Then you have green and pink, and this is just a lighter pink, and it has glitter in them. And these coordinate with the paper. And now this is interesting. The paper actually comes in a sleeve. When this paper is done, you can use this maybe for a 6x6, hold some stencils, or if you have a nice big die, you can put in there, but definitely don't throw these out. These are good. These will hold things. As you can see, paper. And this is the paper pad that you get, and you can see it coordinates perfectly with these enamel dots. So let's open, oh, that just popped right off, perfect. Don't need to cut it. And we'll just go through this paper pad very quickly. So you have, and I love this paper. A lot of paper has that gloss on it, and this is not. This is a very thick, sturdy cardstock, no gloss, it's matte, and this is very thick. This is, I don't know the poundage, I'm going to say a little bit thicker than 65, maybe 80. I don't know if it actually says what the poundage is on it, but I'm shocked at how thick this is. But it's really nice. Very nice cardstock. Then you have the other side, it has the pink dots. You have some glue guns and hearts. And this is faux glitter. So it gives that glittery texture look. And it's like blurry on one side and more focused on the center. This one has a bunch of sentiments. It's the same thing, it looks like. Love to craft, the best people, and then it's just repeating across the paper with some paper. People who love to craft are always best people. There we go. So, and then it just repeats. You have a nice subtle background here. So it looks like they have busy and then subtle, which is nice. Some art supplies, and then you just have a solid beige. Live, love, craft. That's really cute. And then buttons, so 2 busies. Then you have yellow, and there's, I don't think it's a Cricut. Those look like printers. So we got some maybe printers in there. And then it looks like it repeats. So we might get maybe 4 of each piece. Yeah, 4 of each design, and there's 12 designs. So that is what you get in the March card kit. It is not bad. This is a pretty fun card kit to work with. So you have everything that you need to make cards. You have stamps that you can color, and you can fussy cut those out. Or if you have one of those scan cut machines, if you're lucky, that probably works. You have a stencil to add more depth. Like that's fantastic. You can use pastes. You can ink it. You can dry emboss it. There's so many things you can do with stencil. So already right here you have enough, and then you tie in paper and coordinating. These coordinate so well that this kit alone, it's hard to find a kit that you can do everything with. I find a lot of times with the card kits, I focus just on one thing, and then the rest of the stuff just sits there. So this is great. You can make a lot of cards with just this. It's a really good card kit. So definitely check it out. It will be in the link in the description box below. So now I'll just show you some things that I have created with this. So here are 2 cards that I also created using this kit, and this is the first one. This is actually just a piece of paper that I had scrapped from one of the earlier cards that I used and had a heart cut out of it. So instead of just wasting it, I decided to place my heart at the top there. I could have created that into a shaker, but I don't know. I just thought that was just nice and subtle with the little embellishments there, and just keep it nice and simple. So this is the character from this stamp, which is called Crafty Friends, which is part of the kit. And then I just cut the hand there and stuck in that hole punch, which looks like they cut out the heart. And then the other card I made was using with stencil, and I just really like how it just emphasizes her happiness and says talk crafty to me, and I added a little bit of embellishments which matched with this colored cardstock as best as I could. And so those are the 2 extra cards that I had created. I did create a shaker card earlier using this kit, and you can see that in previous video. But if you like this, definitely check out the description box and the information will be there for you. I do want to thank you so much for stopping by and just hanging out with me. And until the next time, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you all later. Take care. Bye.